How to use Thumbtack for cleaning business. Throwing money at broad local advertising platforms completely drains your cleaning business's cash flow with zero guaranteed return. To pull consistent, high-paying residential or commercial cleaning leads, you need to configure Thumbtack's professional targeting engine with absolute precision. Today we are deploying the exact app setups and preference overrides to lock in high-margin jobs without burning through your ad budget. Alright, so do not download the standard custom application. Search the App Store and download the specific Thumbtack for Professionals app. So you should be getting this app right here. And then guys, once you open it up and dashboard loads, tap the services icon located at the bottom navigation tray. Tap directly into your active cleaning service to reveal your job preferences. Then select the travel area, toggle your settings to specify an exact mile radius, or check off your target high-value zip codes, and then tap Save. Alright guys, and now let us lock down your cost controls so you don't get auto-charged for bad leads. So tap the profile icon in the bottom tray, select Leads and Budget, and enter a strict weekly spending cap that matches your current marketing threshold. Next, know that Thumbtack completely hides new cleaning profiles from organic search results until they have at least one review. To bypass this restriction instantly, stay in your profile menu, tap the review link icon, copy your unique URL, and tap Import Google Reviews to instantly pull up to 100 verified testimonials over from your existing business profile. So while waiting for your primary targeting algorithm to warm up, make sure to regularly tab into the Opportunities tab to manually view and bid on local cleaning jobs that do not count toward your automated weekly budget allocation. That is it guys for this one. As always, enjoy and like and subscribe.